Congratulations on the purchase of the IPAC. IPAC stands for In-Wall Power and Cable Solution. If you have any problems with this product or have any questions about installation, please contact customer service from the information provided on this screen. This video is to provide you with safe and easy step-by-step instructions on how to install your new IPAC. When completed, this gives your room a great finished look without all those messy cables showing along your wall. Hi, I'm Cynthia and I'm going to show you how simple it is to install the IPAC. We have our TV mount already installed and now we're ready to get started on installing the IPAC. Because your TV, cable, satellite box, DVD player, surround sound receiver all connect to the TV, it is important to choose your AV equipment location close to the existing power outlet. Let's begin with your installation by gathering the tools needed for the job. You will need a tape measure, a pencil, a drywall saw or sharp utility knife, both a Phillips and flathead screwdriver, wire stripper, and needle nose pliers. We also recommend a stud finder, a small level, and an outlet tester. These last three items are not required to install the IPAC, although they can make the installation easier. Your IPAC kit will include everything you will ever need to hide those ugly wires. Now let's go over everything included in your IPAC Total Solution Kit. The in-wall recessed outlet, which will be installed behind your TV, the IPAC inlet, which will be installed behind your AV equipment and close to an existing power outlet, a cardboard template used to trace the location and size of the holes used to power the IPAC, 2 in-wall wiring boxes, a 6-foot power cord used to connect power to the TV from an existing outlet or surge protector, a 6-foot in-wall rated power extension wire. If you plan to have your AV equipment further than 6 feet from your TV, then you will need a longer in-wall power wire. Do not splice on the supplied in-wall power wire. We recommend you purchase a longer foot in-wall wire. This can be found in most hardware stores. Let's begin the installation. Step 1. Start with the TV mounting location. We recommend you install your TV wall mount bracket before any wiring installation. Your TV wall bracket should be installed into the wall studs. The IPAC needs to be installed in between the wall studs. IPAC can be installed either horizontally or vertically next to, below, above, or with the in-wall mount itself. The slimline design and flexible installation options provide that the IPAC can be hidden behind most TVs once it is mounted. After you have decided the location of the outlet wall plate, use a stud finder to find the hollow area between the two wall studs. It's very important to check up and down the wall to determine that no other obstacles exist between the stud framing. Using a level for proper alignment, use the supplied template and trace the outlines for the drywall openings for the box and cable pass-through. Cut on the lines with the drywall saw or utility knife, being careful not to cut into the area between the two openings, and not so deep as to cut through the adjoining wall. Remove both the drywall cutout sections. The IPAC inlet wall plate is installed below the TV or located at your AV equipment within 5 feet of an existing outlet. Repeat the same steps for cutting out the drywall openings for the in-wall wire box and cable pass-through. Step 2. Start at the TV location and drop the in-wall power extension wire into the wall, passing it between the two larger cutout openings. The wires should pass freely between the walls. It's okay if you have some insulation in the wall. It may just take some more effort passing the wire down the wall. To make it easier, you can tape the ends of the wire and attach it to an old fishing pole or wire and push or pull the wire through the insulation. Next, drop your video and audio cables into the wall, passing them through the two small holes. Now, using a screwdriver, push in one tab on the back of the in-wall wire junction box. Insert the in-wall power extension wire through the slot. Push through approximately 4 inches to extend out the front of the wiring box. Next, install the in-wall wiring box into the larger wall cutout. Next, using your Phillips head screwdriver, screw the 2 screws of the in-wall wiring box to secure the wall wings, making sure it's snug to the back side of the drywall. Using a level to verify alignment and then tighten screws. Be sure not to over-tighten. Step 3. The easiest part of the installation is connecting the in-wall power extension wires to both the outlet and inlet wall plates. Strip off 3 inches of the outer white covering from the in-wall power extension wire. Careful not to cut into the wires inside. Next, strip 1/2 inch off both ends of the black and white wires. At the upper outlet connection, follow the label and instructions to bend the ends in the J-hook shaped using the round shaft of your Phillips screwdriver. Secure the black and white bare copper wires to the colored screws, with the hook attached in a clockwise direction using your Phillips head screwdriver. Check to make sure each wire is in the correct color-coded location. White wire to silver screw, black wire to gold brass color screw, bare copper ground wire to green screw. Repeat the same for the wire connections at the lower inlet, except do not bend the ends of the wires in the J-hook shape. The black wire will insert into a hole with the black screw located on the side. White wire to the hole with the silver screw. Bare copper wire to the hole aligned with the green screw. Next, feed your AV cables through the smaller opening in each outlet faceplate. You can then push the excess wire into the wall. Finally, secure the wall plates to the in-wall wiring box using supplied screws with your flathead screwdriver. It's safe to place any excess wiring back into the wall. Step 4. Connect the female end of the supplied power connection cord to the male plug of the power inlet and plug the male end of the power connection cord into the nearest power outlet or surge protector. Plug your TV into the IPAC power outlet and the installation of the IPAC is complete. Enjoy your wall-mounted HDTV. You can use this solution for all your flat panel needs as well as media projectors. Wow, now that was easy. And look, no wires. And you know what the best part is? I didn't even have to use an electrician. I hope you have fun with yours too. And thank you for buying the IPAC. The IPAC is designed as a code-compliant, in-wall extension of existing power. Installing the IPAC does not modify your existing electrical circuit. Even though it provides power to your TV, you will not have direct contact with live electrical wires while making the connections to the IPAC. It is safe to install because it is only energized when plugged in to an existing power outlet, no different than plugging in an appliance.